I am Chris Gagomar, and I am the leader for the Technical Training Center of Excellence. Welcome to our brand new La Crosse Advanced Technology Training Center. We're very proud that within this building, we have a living laboratory for all of our visitors. This includes our graduate training program for our early career account managers. This program is nearly 100 years old now. We recruit the best of the best, put them through the most comprehensive training program, and send them out to serve customers.
I signed up for the graduate training program because it's just such a great opportunity that other companies in our industry don't have. So I'd say one of the best aspects of the graduate training program is getting to know the other people. We all get put in the same space, and we're all in this together.
It's a really great learning environment. Like, everybody is so supportive. The community of the students that are here are awesome, and our instructors are always doors open for us to come in and ask questions at any time. When you graduate, you think that you know a lot, and then you get to industry and realize that you don't. So it's really helpful if you can find a company that's willing to invest in your education upfront, because there is a huge learning curve.
Developing talent and capability is in our DNA. But if I think about leaders, vice presidents, and presidents, not only within Trane Commercial, all of those leaders were developed right here in the graduate training program.
As people, it's our duty to just make the world a better place for tomorrow, and Trane Technologies does that by boldly challenging what we do. I think we're setting a new precedent for the industry and beyond the HVAC industry, that we're setting a new standard what companies should be doing for the world.
Today is the best version of Trane and Trane Commercial that I've ever experienced in my 26-year career. In terms of the talent we brought in the organization, in terms of how that talent works together, in terms of how we're aligned to achieve sustainability goals that we've never achieved before.